sinabi nung na baka low blood sugar na.
How was it po? Kasi may nakuhanan ka ng video na umaganyan ka na, na kayong napasugod doon.
Yes, after nung Senate budget hearing, pumunta ako sa House of Representatives. Sinamahan ko si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa pag-attend niya sa hearing ng PADCOM.
Ma'am, you were there until it finished. How was it po? Kasi may nakuhanan ka ng video na umaganyan ka na, iba-iba na yung reaction. So, how was it po? How was it witnessing the hearing?
Pagod talaga ako nung araw na yon dahil hindi kasi namin alam kung anong mangyayari sa budget hearing. So, buong the day before at nung umaga na yon naghahanda kami para sa Senate budget hearing. So, medyo pagod ako. Nandun ako kasi, yes, sinamahan ko si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, and usually kasi hindi siya nakikinig sa mga kasama niya. So, humihingi sila ng tulong sa akin na kung anong isabi, pagsabihan, gano'n.
So, did you do that, ma'am? Humingi ng tulong, tas did you approach him to tell him what it's supposed to be,
Doon lang sa sinabi nung kasama niya na 6 a.m. pagising. Nagsimula yung araw niya 6 a.m. and mga around 10:30 p.m. na ata yon. Sinabi nung na baka low blood sugar na. So, ay hindi ko makain. So, nagpaalam ako na i-excuse na lang siya, but ayaw niya. Pero, naniwala naman siya nung sinabihan namin siya na kumain na muna siya.
Okay. Pero ma'am, how was it po? Kasi earlier the Senate, you said you don't expect a fair trial for fair hearing po for the President. Kayo, you were there mismo. So how was it po?
Well, as a lawyer, hindi mo na talaga maintindihan kung ano ang rules na ginagamit sa mga hearings, no? And they use inquiry and investigation interchangeably. So hindi mo alam if it's an inquiry, you're a research person. If it's an investigation, you're a witness or an accused. So, saksak sinagol na kung sa Bisaya pa ang nagapanghitabo.
Okay. Ma'am, sorry, last na po.
Sige pa.
Ma'am, may mga kumalat na video. The President asked you, I think when you were about to leave na po that time, na how was his performance from 1 to 10? What was your answer to him, VP?
Sabi niya, kumusta yung performance ko? And I said, best dramatic actor. Sabi niya, you have to rate me from 1 to 10. Sabi ko, you're a 12.
But you mean it. He was really at 12 now.
Yes.
Ma'am, bakit best dramatic actor?
Kayo na lang yung umintindi. Nakikita niya naman sa ginagawa niya eh.